Hi, this is Kashmunisa Bagewari. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to talk about Amazon DynamoDB parallel scan. So in this video, I am going to explain what is parallel scan, when to choose it, how to use it, and we will see one example. So let's start with parallel scan. Amazon DynamoDB returns data to the application in 1 MB increments, and an application performs additional scan operations to retrieve the next 1 MB of data. By default, the scan operation processes data sequentially. The larger the table or index being scanned, the more time the scan takes to complete. In order to get the ability to retrieve data from your DynamoDB tables more rapidly, you can use a new parallel scan model. So what is the overall idea here? So as we see in our last video of DynamoDB scan, so we already know if our data set is larger and we want to retrieve data larger than 1 MB, so we can't retrieve it in a single request. You have to perform multiple operations with the help of pagination. So if your data set is too large, so this sequential operation takes so much time. So it will get slow process, and you will get you have to wait for the more time to retrieve all your data. So to overcome this problem, if you want to get your data more faster, so you can use parallel scan. In addition, a sequential scan might not always be able to fully use the provision read throughput capacity, even though DynamoDB distributes a large tables data across multiple physical partitions. A scan operation can only read one partition at a time. For this reason, the throughput of the scan is constrained by maximum throughput of a single partition. So when you perform your simple scan operation, so in that case, DynamoDB might not using your provision read throughput capacity fully. So to utilize it completely, parallel scan is the best choice. So to address these two issues, we can use parallel scan. The first is the if it is to avoid sequential process, and to fully utilize your provision read throughput capacity of your DynamoDB table. So with the help of parallel scan, you can overcome these two problems. When to choose parallel scan? A parallel scan can be right choice if the following conditions are met. The table size is 20 GB or larger. The table's provision read throughput is not being fully used. Sequential scan operations are too slow. So in these three conditions, you can use parallel scan. How to work with parallel scan? The scan operation can logically divide a table or a secondary index into multiple segments, with multiple application workers scanning the segments in parallel. Each worker can be a thread or an operating system process. To perform a parallel scan, each worker issue its own scan request in the following parameters. Segment. A segment to be scanned by a particular worker. Each worker should use a different value for segment. Total segment. The total number of segments of the parallel scan, this value must be the same as the number of workers that your application will use. So here is how you can perform the parallel scan. So you can logically divide your DynamoDB table into multiple segments, and each segment you can use your multi-threading application. With the help of multi-threading application, you can assign one segment to your one thread, and one thread will be responsible to perform one single scan operation, one single scan request. And in this way you can use multiple segments at a time, and you can mention the total number of segments you want to use, and that number of segments is nothing but the number of threads you are using. And in this way each thread will be responsible to retrieve your data, and parallelly, and you will get your scan operation faster. So let's say you have 3 workers. You would issue the following calls simultaneously to initiate a parallel scan. So here is the example. Suppose is a scan. You have to pass these 2 parameters for your scan query. Total segments equals to 3 and segment equals to 0. Here is segment is equal to 1 and segment equals to 2. So your total segments are 3, and for each request you can pass the segment number here like this. So each will be execute parallelly. So continuing to this, this you can see here a diagram which shows a multi-threaded application that performs a parallel scan with 3 degrees of parallelism. In this diagram, the application spawns 3 threads and assigns each thread a number. Segments are 0 based, so the first number is always 0. Each thread issues a scan request, setting segment to its designated number and setting total segments to 3. Each thread scans its designated segment, retrieving data 1 MB at a time, and returns the data to the application's main thread. So here, suppose you can look it in this diagram. So data items means here is your table, suppose DynamoDB tables, and your items here. You are divided. You have to logically divide your data, your table into multiple segments in this way, like segment 0, segment 1, and segment 2. And this is your application, and this is application's main thread. So here are, as you are dividing your table into 3 segments, so you can use 3 threads, 3 workers. So worker thread 0, worker thread 1, and worker thread 2. So for each thread you will assign to 1 segment, and this thread will responsible to request your scan operation to the segment 0, and this will perform scan request to segment 1, and this thread will perform scan request to segment 2. So in this way all these 3 threads will work parallelly. So here you can see in your scan request you can pass S equals to 0. Here S is nothing but the segment and TS nothing but the total segment. So as we are having 3 segments, so S equals to 0 here and TS equals to 3. And when you retrieve the data, suppose you are retrieving data larger than 1 MB, you will get last evaluated key here, and you can use this last evaluated key and you can again send a request by passing last evaluated key to the exclusive start key, and you will retrieve the more data, and you can pass the result to your to the thread, and it will return back to your application main thread. So in this way parallelly all these operations will executed, and you will retrieve your data more faster. So here is the example. So here is the AWS DynamoDB scan request where table name equals to thread, filter expression if you want to pass any filter expression, and expression attribute value. So here are the 2 main parameters. You can see here segment equals to 0 and total segments equals to 3. So for each segment you can pass segment number 0, 1, 2, 3 like this, and in this way you can perform parallel scan. So I hope you like this. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.